So I'm going to show you how to make butter from scratch.
Into our mixing bowl goes 600 milliliters of double or heavy whipping cream. Make sure to scrape out every last drop. This is also a great way of using up any leftover cream that might be going out of date. With a large whisk, whip your cream at the highest setting. When it looks a little bit like this, scrape down the sides of your bowl to make sure all of the cream is evenly whipped. You'll start to see the buttermilk separating in the bottom of your bowl. Give it another quick whip. When your butter starts to form solid masses, you can start to squeeze out the buttermilk. You'll want to squeeze out as much buttermilk as possible and then transfer your butter to a bowl of cold water. Bring the pieces together in the bowl to create one cohesive ball of butter. You'll want to continue squeezing this under the water so that it helps to wash away any excess buttermilk. And there's your fresh butter ready. And don't throw away that buttermilk. I like to measure mine out and then freeze it in a bag. It's perfect for scones or pancake or pound cake. Butter is such a versatile ingredient. You can salt it and just use it on a piece of toast, or you can add herbs and spices and just use it as a compound butter.
Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for more great appetizers, check out my whipped feta video. Be sure to give us a like down below and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.